Hi there, welcome to today's video. In today's video we shall be doing a product review. So today we shall be doing a P47 wireless headphone, and this headphone, my friend, it is budget friendly, and my friend, you are going to see the features of this very headphone, and at the end of the day you will decide if you can buy this headphone or not. So we have a lot to talk in this video, and so without further ado, let's just start unboxing this very product and see what is inside. So first of all, I just like the feel of this very product. From the outside you can see it has a beautiful design. So you have some of the photos from different angles, some of the things that it has, of course the specifications, and you can want to read through and see what it has and some of the functions that it has. So this is the outside of the box. It looks appealing, but then does this very product represent what we are seeing from the outside? So my friend, allow me to open in. So I had already removed all the papers that had covered this, so my friend, don't worry about it. So I just have the headphone itself. This cable was not in, so the one that was in, I didn't like it, so I went to buy my own. It is a 2-end jack, 3.5 millimeter jack. And my friend, this is a beautiful cable, and what I like about this is that it has the up and down volume buttons in here. So I like this cable so much, that's why I went for it. And what is remaining inside, it's the charging cable. So this is just a USB cable for charging, and that is pretty everything. Of course, for a $7 headphone, you don't expect much. So my friend, let me place this here, and so that we can look at what we have. So this is the most important thing. Of course, this is what we are buying. This is the product. You want to test it and see if it is fine. So first of all, it has a good feel. You can see it can be folded. That is the beautiful thing I love about this headphone. And my friend, to just unlock this, you just do that, right? And you also just do that. It sounds like it's breaking, but don't worry. At the first time when I was opening it, I felt like I'm breaking it. Let's talk about the outside. Is that this very headphone is entirely plastic. So my friend, that means it can break very easily. So it needs a lot of care. You need to be careful when you are handling this very headphone. So I chose white because I loved how it felt, but then you can choose something like black or gray if you like it, but I chose white because I liked it. Then on this side we have some buttons. We have a button to put it on. So my friend, this headphone has a Bluetooth connection, that's why it has a power button. It also has a radio, so it has an inbuilt antenna for radio and also a radio system. You can listen to radio when you have this headphone. So my friend, it also has the up and down volume buttons, and it also has the pause button, the big button in here. It is the pause button. It also has the mode button when you are changing maybe from Bluetooth to radio or to aux. So my friend, that is pretty much, and I like how it is flexible, such that when you are putting on your head, it sticks there. Even if you move the head, it is very firm on your head, and that is something to say that it is good. And my friend, it also has a port where you can now put the aux cable just like that. So it goes there if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. By the way, this is giving you high quality sound than Bluetooth, so that's why I prefer using this. But if you're walking outside there, you just want to relax, you may want to remove it and just connect to Bluetooth. It also has a slot where you can put a memory stick. For example, if you have it and you want to listen to music, you just place it here and it starts to sing as you listen to it. So it's beautiful. It also has a place for charging, so this very charger or cable just goes in here and you plug it into a computer and it starts charging, and that is something good. So my friend, it's time to talk about like its feature. For example, Bluetooth. It has a range of 10 meters, so I didn't find it so hard when I'm moving from one room to the other. I don't want to carry my phone, so I can still listen to music up to 10 meters. And my friend, I said if you want high quality, you use this aux cable, and this aux cable is 3.5mm jack, and all you need to do is to just plug it in. You can also receive your calls using this very headphone. So if someone is calling you and you have put this in your phone, don't really panic and want to remove it. Just receive the call, and my friend, you can really listen to the call using this very headphone. Talking of the sound quality, it is not that much quality, but it is according to the price of this very headphone, I believe that quality is super good. So if you are looking for high quality headphone, you may not want to go for this, but if you want average, if you want cheap, affordable headphone, this is a go for. So that is pretty much about it. I guess I've talked about everything. I've talked about the compatibility. Of course, Bluetooth can be connected to phone as well as to laptop. By the way, I realized that the battery is very much consumed when I've connected it to my laptop than my phone. So this battery, it stays with battery or power for at least 4 hours. So if I've connected a computer or a laptop, it will take me like 3 hours. If I've connected a phone, it will take me at least 4 hours. So that is about the battery. I think 4 hours is enough for you to do whatever you're doing. If you're editing, 4 hours is enough. And if the battery is off, you can just use the aux cable. That is when this cable comes in use. So my friend, I think that is everything about this very headphone. I may not decide for you. You can decide for yourself. And by the way, if you want to purchase the same headphone, just like what I did, please find a link in the description, the first link where you can access this product and purchase it at $7 only. So find a link in the description where you are going to purchase this very headphone and try it by yourself. I hope that this product review was very helpful to you, and if that is the case, my friend, feel very free to like this video, and you can also subscribe to my channel. And not only subscribe, my friend, you can ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Thanks.